Guys, welcome back to another daily Bitcoin video where we do Bitcoin technical analysis every day, and we could see right now that Bitcoin is actually exploding up 4%. And as you guys can see right here, Bitcoin is testing one of the most important resistance that we have retested in a very long time. Not a long time, but the 27th of September, and before that we actually did not retest in this 27th of July. Bitcoin has been making lower highs right here in this descending massive channel. We're going to be having a look at this massive breakout that Bitcoin is currently doing right now. So if you guys remember my video yesterday, I did mention that Bitcoin was gonna break out of here. If you guys remember, this is actually my thumbnail right here. I made a nice little green candle that was actually fake. And if you guys remember my video, we were actually right here when I made this video. So we were actually in this red candle, and boom, what's happening and what happened exactly? Bitcoin made a crazy move. So if you guys do like these daily Bitcoin updates, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. Update on subscribers, 21 subscribers, so growing, very nice and steady. And that's about it. Let's dive into Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame. We could see the stochastic RSI does have a little bit of room to pretty much explode. Can we see the stochastic RSI break above this level right here, above 80, and pretty much go to as high as 100? Can we see Bitcoin finally break this level right here? And remember, if we do break this level, we still have some resistance right here at $70,000. So that would be the first step. The first step would be for Bitcoin to freaking break this level right here. If you guys remember, I did mention also in my title that Bitcoin will break all-time highs this week. Okay, yes, this upcoming week. That was literally yesterday I made this my video, and obviously things are looking pretty good. I'm obviously very excited, guys. You guys can tell by my tone of voice. By the way, if you guys do want to long Bitcoin, make sure you guys click on my link in the description below. You can get up to $5,500 in trading rewards. Yes, no KYC, and it is available in the United States. Anyways, that's that on Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. If we have a look right here on the weekly time frame, it is looking pretty good because it looks like Bitcoin does want to pump. Okay, so we know when we are oversold, we usually go as high as the overbought region, and the last time we were overbought, Bitcoin was actually at the all-time high, sitting at $75,000. So this is why I think Bitcoin will break this all-time high this week. I think Bitcoin is about to make massive move. So pack your bags and have a look right here on the 8-hour time frame. We know that Bitcoin did have a double bottom right here. So we spoke about this double bottom. Things are looking pretty good. And I did mention also that if we do break above this neckline right here, the green line, that would be obviously very bullish. We did have a hidden bullish divergence right here. So you guys can see lower lows on the chart, higher lows on the RSI. RSI is getting a little bit tired right now, so we're gonna have to see if Bitcoin can, pretty much break this resistance right here and pretty much consolidate from here. That would be very bullish. But overall, guys, I'm super bullish on Bitcoin. Remember, on the 4-hour time frame, remember, it doesn't matter if Bitcoin comes back and retest. We have just flipped this resistance to a support region. Okay, so this resistance right now, that was a resistance. So you guys can see this was a resistance. We broke above it, failed to pretty much hold this resistance, came back down, and now this is a new support region. So I think Bitcoin could come back down and maybe come back, retest, slow down, cool down before continuing its pump. I don't think we're going to continue pumping and break this resistance right here. We're going to have to see what traders do, but overall things are looking pretty great. And this is the chart, guys, that I mentioned yesterday on my YouTube channel. So this was actually my YouTube channel right here. Yes, there's no wicks. It's just to make it clean, just to give you guys an understanding. This was a double bottom right here, double bottom, and of course this little green or red candle right here is pretty much this one right here. And I did mention in my video that if we do break this level on the weekly time frame, then we're most likely going to see a rocket, and pretty much this is exactly what is happening right now on Bitcoin. We are seeing a rocket. So obviously that is really darn good, guys. On the daily time frame, things are looking pretty good, better than ever. Heiken Ashi candles are looking really good as well. You guys can see, for those of you guys who don't know what Heiken Ashi candles are, they pretty much tells you the trends, which way the trends is. So obviously it's pretty self-explanatory. We know when we're red, we're usually down. When we flip green, we're usually up. Red, we're down. Green, we're up. So it's actually really useful to your trading tools. If you guys don't know or want a different experience or different opinion or anything like that, you could definitely use Heiken Ashis. I love Heiken Ashi, and I, of course, since we flipped green right here, I was like, all right, this is a good time to pretty much go long, and I took a nice little long. If we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, guys, the Bitcoin dominance is looking okay, sitting at 58.16. Is an altcoin season coming? Well, we're going to need a Bitcoin dominance to come down. That doesn't necessarily mean that Bitcoin needs to come down. It just means that the Bitcoin dominance needs to come down. And that just means that more money needs to flow into altcoins in order for us to see a massive altcoin season. So obviously this level right here, let me just draw it out for you guys, is obviously pretty critical for Bitcoin. 58.20 is very, very important. And we're going to have to see if Bitcoin can pretty much get rejected right here. And yes, the Bitcoin dominance, believe it or not, a lot of people, especially whales and institutions, will actually use this as an indicator. So yes, this could be a form of resistance. It's not going to be like a traditional form of resistance, but it definitely could be one. And we already got rejected last month, and we're going to have to see if Bitcoin will either blow past it or pretty much come back down. Now, of course, that does not mean, once again, that if we do see it pretty much go up, that doesn't mean that altcoins are not going to moon. We're just not going to see altcoin moon as much. So we need to see the Bitcoin dominance, pretty much kind of calm down, relax on the monthly time frame. It seems like it's, it's not getting any tired, or it's not looking to slow down anytime soon. So, this thing has never really been overbought, as you guys can see, according to history. So it's obviously very, very interesting, and we're pretty much going to have to see what happens here in the next few days. If you guys do like this video, once again, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like. 21 subscribers. I'm trying to grow very, very steady. I do Bitcoin videos every day, and I will see you guys in my next video tomorrow.